Okay, welcome back. Assalamualaikum. Today I want to work on a version of the project that's supposed to be set up the SN library. So I want to duplicate it. Um, yeah. The first thing that needs to be done to this thing is a few of its files need to be deleted, especially the Git files. Core copy, Control H to show hidden files. Git ignore, readme, git. There's two files showing up. License, I don't. Actually, I think I'm supposed to keep that editor config. I don't think I'm supposed to remove that. Okay. Sticky notes are not very sticky, and it's annoying. Okay, script refactoring plugin, yes, actually, we wanted to install. Well, just to work on things, install the add-on. Okay. Video making to be deleted, since this is a copy. I can delete that fine. Okay, my add-on. For the add-on itself, what are the guidelines? Recommendations, Windows should be looking out for those. Fix or suppress all script warnings. What does probably mean by this? Also, I asked yesterday about moving from GitHub to only Codeberg since I want it, as well as the GitHub refactor plugin that I just downloaded. While I'm at it, I might as well fightvaina add inputs. Um, I push errors so that I have context. What else am I supposed to do? Attack tree, don't save. I might, since this is buggy, is just not use it. Actually, let me change it. Space 2. Caps lock. Hmm. Okay. That's yeah, just close all. Okay. So script refactoring, I guess. Save. Right now. Don't save. Close everything. Okay. In the autoloader, which is where everything basically is. Mm-hmm. Org. These are to be deleted since they're empty. Entities. I can ignore anything with a scene, unless actually it's the naming scheme. Does the Godot refactor plugin project settings plugins? Because manually renaming all the files is going to be a pain. Um, okay. Uh, hmm, ancient snacks, innovations no, resource no, player scene no, basic parts. He's got stats, so right click. All file names should use snake case. It's a Pascal case. String, all file names use snake case. Let me verify that. Control F all file. Here it is. Snake case, class name, ammo parser, Pascal case. What is Pascal? I don't know what Pascal is. Alright, so let's just make sure everything is in file. Snake case. Right, does it tell me what folders need to be in? No. Okay, not a single thing in this one. Rename snake case. Wait, if everything's in snake case, asset library, what was it? They literally just mentioned one. Rename to selected directory, batch renamer. Okay, project, plugins, batcher name, new org. Sure. God damn it, what does this say? Mm-hmm. This is the... Mm-hmm. Uh, I think there might have been something that I didn't, but it looks fine. Oh, HTTP art. Perfect. Perfect, okay. Okay, so I'm gonna install that now. Product settings, plugin, batcher namer, don't need. Batcher namer, delete. Okay. Then we want the script refactoring. So I need to go into anything that's not Steam based. So example for the asset library, no. New organization, Arch, no. Entities, probably not much. Entity stats, extra variables, okay. Control F, snake case, okay, for snake case. I do snake case for variables basically all the time, but find all references. Wait, no, if it's in snake case, then all references would already be in snake case. Like, it's supposed to all. Okay, so snake case, snake place, class name. Is this Pascal case? What is the hell is a YAML parser? No names, camera, player. Those are single names. God damn, what is Pascal case? DSP, click. Yeah, yeah. So I understand that. Okay, Pascal case is not the same as camel case. Um, Pascal, snake, snake, Pascal. Okay, basic parts is done. Zoners, all scenes. Other entities, targets, nothing there. Entities is done. Systems, animation, defaults, those are resources. Tests curve resources. Animation resource. Uh, Class name, Pascal, underscores. Okay, function names. Functions, snake. Signals, snake. Okay. Anything else I'm missing? Constants are capitalized. Pascal, yeah, okay. If I do final references of is facing right, that's only local for the function, which is understandable. Okay, based on how it's using it. Or have this menu. This. Okay. I think this looks fine. Okay. Animation tool. I do an underscore here, which is like privatization of it. That was done by the AI. VR code refactor was done by AI. Animate isn't snake. Snake. Pascal. Feels fine there. Fine. Wait, this is active hitbox. Okay, so don't need that. Attack. Snake case. Let's go. I just have to find anything that's just not the same. And it's probably going to come to like the enumerations. I wish I knew this was private. Mm, yeah, it's just, it makes a lot of sense. Mm-hmm. Okay. So from the top, tool buttons. Mm, okay. Sorry. Find all references. Okay. Rename. Same thing, but with an underscore. Review. Rename. Rename. Copy. Paste. Review. So these should just be 3 for basically everything. I have to press preview before I even? Oh yeah. Is there a way to do the... Oh, no. Okay, of course not. Nope. Come on. Shift F2, I should actually learn that. Will that be faster? I don't know. Mm, that documentation should not exist. Um, could these? Over text, special cancel stuff. Mm, mm, okay, and then this section of stuff. I better not break my fix me. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. These look fine. Set can combo. Uh, Shift F2. There we go, I remembered it. This, Shift F2. Underscore this. This one definitely looks like it would make sense. Let's actually see if it says so. Is. Oh, I think should. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Set can follow up. Shift F2. Underscore the same name. Reset. Reset's called outside of here, so no. Tool functions? Tool functions. Yeah, the tool functions look like they actually might. Um, Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. If it didn't find one, I'm assuming they're all private. But we'll get to that by manually bulk renaming. Yeah, that one's private. This is purely private. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Request to rename is a signal in a different script? This one. Mm-hmm. Says it's in. Can I copy this? It says it's connected as a signal for the bulk renamer. The this one I'm assuming may not be because it is being called in a different class. Um, okay, but again, should Come on, you can do it. Okay. From that, since it's basically a signal, wait, two. So it's called on 139, which I can't scroll because this menu's open. Um, Basically as a private, and it's also called as a signal. So yeah, okay. And that's attack. Cool, attack manager. This is the biggest one. Uh, Dual button for share. Video buttons. It might be faster to just do this. Okay. Uh, Animation tool, it's exported. No, no. Hit exceptions is local, but it's used in probably more than one place. Yeah, it's used in two different scripts. Wait, is that just prints? No. Okay. Current attack, use it everywhere. Signal, snake case. Start animation, everything's fine, including the names inside, sure. Um, Ready, game code, subregion, getter functions. I'm guessing no. Yeah, that's public, and so are probably all of these. Preset values. Oh, one place? Okay. Start attack is global, continue attack is not. There's other improvements. Start attack is shorter, so yes. They should be snake case. They are part of the function and are not used anywhere else. I'll keep them there, I guess. As is. Is that fine? GD script, style guide. Okay, yeah, so this case, it's correct. On has hit, add new attack. Clear attacks. Okay, attack manager is done. The frame. Um, all of these all the way to here. Yep. If I could just rename that quickly, it would be nice. Oh wait, oh wow, what is that? Okay. This is the one time when I want copy to literally do something slightly different than normal. Wait, so much easier to do it this way since there's duplicates. There's a wait. Frame info, repeat this frame, box shape, and yada yada. Those are all the same. These are named correctly. Request rename signal. Snake case, right? Get set ready tool region. Really? Review. One file. Review. One file. This is gonna hurt my hands, and it's gonna take the entire day simply renaming till I run out of things to rename. Oh my goodness, I'm still gonna have to do this a second time. Because it's not on main. It's gotta get to main. I should have done this before. I should have done this on the actual one. Oh no. Oh no. Oh freaking no. Why did I do this to myself? My brain has got too many keyboard shortcuts to use rename all children. It's used actually a decent number of times. System process. Great, great. Okay. That's frame. Actually, there's not that many scripts, but it's just like going through all of this is a little annoying. A data resource, so this should be click. Go in order. Fix this later. Um, you seem to be fine. Constant case. Yeah. Okay. Wait. Genome names. Stop. Stop. Use the literal tool we got to do this. Save. IT. IPE. Preview. Awesome. This tool is amazing. Just wonderful. Okay. Validate. Where the hell is this used? Well, public it is. Hitbox data. Okay, hitbox area. Yep, this is where the annoyances are going to come in again. Repeatedly doing the exact same thing over and over, expecting this to help. I really wish there was one tool that just did it all. Wait, no, attack manager doesn't need that. It's a variable. Um, Terrible way to do this. I really don't know if I should do it this way. Has a signal. Damage is a signal. Almost certainly. Yeah, it's called by a signal. Hmm. Okay. Hitbox area, active hitbox. Oh, these are the same dang thing. Wait a second. Mmm. But they're also signals, so rename. There's so much text. Why do I put this here? What does this mean? I feel so much easier to read. Oh my god. Um, high-low block check might be. Save my files. Yep. Block check 2, probably the same thing. Mhm. I feel like this is something that I should have actually done the formatting guide with AI. I'm set. What? Okay, what is the thing I need to actually do? Okay. Indentation. Two continuation from regular code blocks. God damn it. But I do that so often. Wait a second. Exception to this rules are arrays, dictionaries, and enums. Is this an array? What is this? This is the binary number. What the hell? I'm sorry? Frick. Move list. That one needs to be style guided. There's so many trailing commas. No. Why? This is also bad, but this comment feels better that way. Uh, Not everything is exact to the style guide. Give me a break. This is made after. Vector direction, what do you use? preview. Locked. It's really just used here? Okay. Fix color, that is a tool code. This process, and then the rest is done. 80. Hard box area. Not even a need to think about these ones. These ones are obviously done to do that. Yeah, I didn't think so. Okay. Style guide, man. It is a guide and is recommendation, but like most of it, I'm like, why do I need to do this? And I don't want to do it, but it's gonna help somehow. Seriously, only ever used here? Oh, it's a to-do, so it's actually not unused code. They are all in here. Is active is also. Wait, it's used elsewhere? It could be if I had a setter function. This is an attack manager. Let me go up there and see if I can just go is active equals true and replace that with. No, I don't like using a string to do that. No, no, I don't. No. If that's what it's gonna take, no. Then absolutely not. I could make my own function for it, but I don't want to. Okay. Projectile area? Yes, that's where it was. Boxes! Are you used anywhere? No. Somehow. You're probably doing the same with that. Question mark? logic is like this. Let me verify that this is pivot. Oh yeah, auto load scripts. What's this called? Just here. Okay. That's literally the only variable here. Since that's used here, no, this doesn't have anything important. Game settings, unused. Okay. Helper functions, public. That's fine. Hit stop and shake. Set cam is used in a very specific function or script. No freaking way. There is no way. That's because it's renamed. That's also a bug that I'm gonna need to care about one day. Fix me. Now, I absolutely doubt. Are you still serious? Doesn't work on globals. That's interesting. Okay. Um, hmm. I'm guessing this is also a no? Yeah, okay, let's just not touch these. On hit audio manager, they seem fine. Set cam, yeah, that's fine. Okay, base classes, behavior base, that's used. Set enabled. I never use this. Entity base, these are public. Exports are public. Exports are public. Signal set enabled. We have a better version. Get remaining frames as a helper. Debug printing. Primary manager is called elsewhere. Cutscene start is a thing that exists in one other place, I assume. No. No, it does not. Somehow. Mm-hmm. Am I sure? No. Okay, that's strange. Exports. Enums. DEREFECNATESI. It's used a non-significant amount of places. This is private? No. There's no way. Wait, how did they get past my censoring? Hold up. Twitch, Stream Manager, Moderation, Settings, um, test.com, Edit Terms. Why? Maximum, more or less. Okay, no, it's just the coloring is off. Perfect. Okay. hmm There we go. That now should catch the bots. How the hell is state private? Cancel. This one's public, this one is not. Oh wait, this is enemy logic. No wonder. Duh. Okay. In that case, I'm curious what the line is. That is exactly 80. And that's the 100. Okay, so that's what those lines are. Okay, that's the help with the style guide. Neat. Current combo, I think is private. Review. Yeah. Current attack index is probably also private. Yep. Target that gets assigned. Current state and next state are both private. Probably. Mm, I'll check this just to be sure. Yep. Target attack manager is probably the same vein as well. Which I'm pretty sure it's also private. Start wait state. Sounds private to me. State 2. Get range state. That could be private in this case. It's currently private, but it feels like it could be public. Get approach velocity. Approach behavior is definitely something that sounds private. Check for next hitbox. It does some things that are not private style. It is for this managed state. Wrong end. Okay. Self-logic logic. Awesome. Start and continue attack. Basically everything. Enemy settings. All exports. All exports. Yeah. Self-combo tracker. It's been an hour and 20 minutes. Oh my gosh. Literally just renaming things. Uh, Not sure how it should be, especially for like self-combo tracking. Start dash. Wow. Really? Wait, what? Oh, the signal. Okay. Okay, input manager, this monstrosity. Arrays single indentation, I think. I haven't gotten the move list yet. Input history, I think is private. Somehow. Yep. Same with this. So used in basically the same ways. This is also related and would be private. extra frames. Seems private to me. Same with buffer frames. Yep. Bonus frames remaining. God damn it. I don't like how this does that. Private input direction. Maybe not, actually. Really? Okay, public signals. State print is private, I think. Do I need this? I think I'm gonna put remove fake inputs. Also, this should be here because it's not a real core. I can press delete these. Buffer check is internal, probably, but not guaranteed, actually. This one might be used elsewhere. No, it's only used internally. Okay. Single input read. Reader itself. Is this seriously not used in here? I don't know, they work differently. Besides, and this is definitely private. Almost certainly private. Yeah. Choose actions. Somehow this is also private, because all inputs are just handled in here. Choose action as well. Why is it ending in 3? Because it's the third version. And that's process. Okay. Movement, current jump direction, and can coyote jump. Rename. How do I spell the word coyote? Coyote. 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 That just feels much easier to actually know how to say. Meaning air jumps. This is private, even though it's set public from a public value. Yep. This I think is called. No? Do we just connect the signal here? Yes. Yes, we do. Okay. Move less. These are all constants that have to be erased because all of the things that had to be done. Um, attack key class. One space. Already, these are not private because they're used in Input Manager. Normal's temporary, all specials. I'd make the normals work. These are saying new. If I said light kick here, and then I immediately say equals light kick to like this one, that's minus. No, that's not what I want. I don't think that would work because it's not at ready. Like, the other one has to be defined first. Okay. So I don't know if that would work. Yeah, I'm not really gonna need to do anything. Half of this stuff is not needed. These two don't need to exist, right? Testing uses it, which will not be included. Open anyway and delete it. Linkable text. What is this for? Simple damage effect. This actually needs to exist. This one, local. Yep. Host is never, ever. Do not. I suspect this one's actually not private. Yeah. Not private, yeah. None of these functions are private. On-screen combo tracker. Target sounds like it could be private. combo account as well. No, actually that's going to be important to be public at some point. Combo tracker logic, we don't return anything. I think this should be private. Reset, update text. Okay. My arm are a little sore from carrying children. Okay, world, do you have any scripts? Simple moving platform. Rappel point. And these aren't needed, they're bit bloat. Rappel point is an interesting one. Because it's as close to like a minimal player that I can get to with entities, other entities, targets. I'll put this in there because it feels like just enough reasonableness if I want to keep it. Testing just as testing. These icons are other people's things. Linkable text. Where is this used? What is this? What is this used for? It doesn't even have a use case. Okay. Never mind. Alright, save. Is it style map? Okay. I think that's everything. Don't save that. The rest of it I think is fine. Okay, so that's the copy done. And basically ready for a zip file? Uh, Wait. That plugin is broken. I don't need to see that right now. Copy. Right, I need to delete all the add-ons as well. Of course not. Okay. I'll do this one. Core copy. Everything should be fine. I don't think I need anything that should break. Okay. So that broke it. Autoloader, plugin config in here. These file names have been renamed to snake case. But they are in the same positions, I believe. Project settings, globals, go to plugins, auto loads. Gosh, darn it. What have you been renamed to? Copy path. Better works. No, so I don't like things that are specifically the path name. Globals, yes, they work, finally. Input map. Is everything below, I'm guessing. Okay. These things get removed. Script templates. These things aren't really needed. I don't know. Cancel everything but the icon. Okay. Probably not the best idea to use the Godot icon. Um, I'll put a copy. Okay. Hitbox data resource. Great. I have to do all of these. Attack components. Search for attack. Frame. Hitbox area. Animation resource. Projectile area. Frame timer. Where the hell did I put frame timer, actually? Animation tool. Okay. Spawn object. That's in attack components. So, where the hell did I put frame timer? Frame timer is in the shared section of entity systems. Leaves open fine. Agent. Agent seems fine. Seems fine. Okay. Jump works. It seems something's off. The other buttons aren't working. They might not be assigned in move list. Yep, light punch. Now this is the part where I'm like, how does this do that? And where people actually access is unique, I think. Because of this assignment stuff. I don't know if it's going to be saved. Plug-in assets must work. Any shared libraries listed in a GD extension file must be present. Not sure what that means. Fully licensed. And must accompany the downloaded asset. This file must contain the license itself, copyright statement, which includes the years and copyright holders. GitHub, my thing. License. Can I just like download this or something? Save as license. Desktop. Save it. Delete it when I put it in the folder. Um, okay, I don't need that right now. It has one, okay. English name for summary description. Oh, come on. Descriptions cannot be a URL to your repository, or it cannot just be. Plugin asset must follow the asset name folder structure. Doing so avoids having files clash with other assets and allows for clean installation of the asset. An icon thumbnail must be included. Must be a 16 by 9 aspect ratio. Tags cannot be your asset name, as that can just be searched. Check to see if singular or plural forms of your tags exist. If so, do not add the opposite form. For example, if the tag tools exists, do not add tool. Okay. I can ignore introduce window. Oh, these are recommendations. I might for the future just skip the style guide because it's more work than it's worth. Is a library for working with other files. Include as its repository. Consider using a proper get ignore file to keep important. to keep redundant data out, but I don't. Okay. Um, hmm, work in progress. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. URL to the source code. Then we go to this, and we go to probably. Would it make sense to do the core branch? Three commits ahead of and 7 behind main. I could rename the branch too. Um, mhm. Mhm. Media. I have not made the video yet. Versions 0.050.5. Initial release. Um, Additional information. might be usable. Definitely works. You. Mm, mm, uh, Initial release of trend core branch. Um, God, I regret that decision. Compress. Mm, file size, please. Oh, thank goodness. I was just about to be concerned. Okay, choose file. Huh? Do I have to log in or something? My uploads. Management dashboard. Settings. Okay. Is the link correct? Yeah. Overview, overview. There you go. Settings, this one. Hmm. Mhm. No video. Versions, choose file. This one. 0.5.0. Edit. I don't know. Version notes. Not stable. Uh, mm, Pricing. I don't have a place to donate. I don't know how to deal with this donation system stuff. Um, how not to get rich. PayPal has been the biggest one, followed by Patreon, so those two would probably be known well. You might need to make a PayPal account one day. Or a Patreon account. Can you do one time with Patreon? Patreon donations. Can I make a one-time payment? Um, yeah, let me go to something like Aliens, Rock, Patreon. I don't even know if he has one actually. Who do I know might have one from YouTube? God damn it, I don't know. Just to understand how these things work. Go to regular YouTube, please, and thank you. Any of you? You. Uh, you need to join, but let's see. More. Where's your Patreon? A creator. This name. Better have the same thumbnail. What? Where's this join button? Oh, that's the YouTube one. Okay, that's not Patreon. Where's Patreon? Who has a Patreon page? Actually, you know what? Just some person named Rin. This person. Sure. We'll click on the first one. Let's see. So this is not English. I don't. Membership, membership options, $2. Okay. No. How does Patreon work? Single time donation. Um, 10% of the income you earn on Patreon. That's actually less than what I think PayPal might do. What does PayPal charge? Okay, so why are you charging that 10% fee on top now? Fees on one-time purchases. If free to list your work on Patreon, digital products. Can you list something that has no value? Man. First off, PayPal is evil. They work with Honey, so I'm definitely not going to use them. Patreon, I don't know. Um, um, mm, I don't think I will consider this right now because it's not worth it. Okay, so I need a thumbnail. Great. Who visited my page? It's not done. How'd they even find it? The icon's different, and I really don't like that I can't just change it here. I hate this. Okay. Did I save? I think I saved. No, break. Why did I not save? V0.0.5. Wait, can I not just Control Shift T a few times? Go back. Go back twice. Back again. Settings. Media. Media. Versions. Okay. Close this one. Overview. Update. Where's my save button? Save. Save. Upload. Save. So if I refresh this, why is it gone? Version change log. Are you testing this thing? Probably. Stable. Okay, additional versions. Free. The loading bar doesn't look correct because this website is probably fine and this browser is not for specific for some things. I'll just try again. Please burn. At least let me save the damn page. Okay. What's the possibilities of file name thing? It's just stupid and can be fixed that stupidly. Also shorten the name in case that matters. Choose file, this one. If it's seriously something that stupid annoying, I'm going to be annoyed. I don't know what the maximum required is. Let me save, please. Please. Let me save. Please save everything. Please save. Save nuts. Fix this. Mm, Okay, so all I need now is one, a support ticket to make this thing work. Two, a store thumbnail. How the hell do I make a support ticket? Support. Okay, new ticket. Upload of asset didn't work after reset, restart, reload. Um, to upload. And, uh, Why would it say that if this is probably a thing? Mm, it did follow size requirements. Return to tickets. Submit request. My library support. No, I want to go to my uploads. This thing. If only it was working. Okay. Yeah. So that's today, and I'm done. Fast 5. I'll set advent coming on. And my notes. Make a copy. Cut the bid stuff. Yep, that's done. Upload it to asset library. After a run through. Okay, run through is done. Upload it to asset lib. Make thumbnail and icon. God damn it! I forgot the icon. I don't have an icon. I have to draw an icon. Let me back this up as well, just in case. Um, on my multiple storage devices. Okay, once it's done, okay, now the mass Lama, I'll leave that to finish its thing, and I'll be done with today. See you tomorrow. Or hopefully this thing will actually be uploaded.